Hi friends, today I've got a really quick and easy and fun project for you. So you just need to take one of these little tea lights. I got it at the Dollar Tree. There's 20 in a pack for the $1.25. That price hasn't gone up yet. So this is a bargain. This is a great way to make a bunch of little Christmas gifts for like neighbors, coworkers, ministering gifts, whoever you need to give just a small little something to. So I'm just taking a small paintbrush and a little bit of pink acrylic paint and just painting 2 circles for his little cheeks. We're making a little snowman out of this little tea light. And I'm going to dry those real quick. And with the heat tool, you don't want to get too close to the wax, obviously. You don't want to melt it. So I just kind of gave it a quick dry. Wasn't super thorough, but I didn't want to smudge it all over. Now I'm taking a little bit of orange and I'm going to color or paint that little wick that pokes out, and that is his little carrot nose. And I've seen many crafters make these, their versions of it. I've seen a lot on Pinterest, and I thought, oh, I can do something similar to this, and then I can make my own tags. And so that's what I've done. So now I'm going to use the end of my paintbrush and make 2 little dots for his eyes, and then 5 little dots for his mouth. And then that's what he looks like so far. And he's super cute, and I'm giving him just a little bit of drying again because his eyes were nice and wet and I didn't want to smear him or smudge him. Okay, and I'm just using these double-sided foam sticky pads that I got at the Dollar Tree. I've got a bunch from Amazon and Temu as well, so you can get them just about everywhere. So I'm putting 4 or 6 on. I can't remember how many put on. And now I'm taking the backing off, and I'm going to set it in the middle of this tag that I made up. And it says, "May your Christmas sparkle, your snow be bright, and your days be cozy from morning to night." And so I'm just kind of putting him in the center of that blue sky. It's got some snowflakes all around him. And then I'm just using some red gingham ribbon and tying a small little regular shoestring bow. That's just going to be his little bow under his neck. And I'm just going to hot glue that onto the bottom of the little metal part that goes around the candle. And I have a Etsy listing that has these tea light tags and the bag toppers to match. And it also has a huge amount of to and from labels, all kinds of different gift tags and hang tags and different varieties of sizes and shapes and colors, and so cute. So the link to that Etsy listing will be below. So I put him in a 3x4 cellophane bag, and I sealed that up, and then I'm going to put the topper on the top and just staple it on. And then on the back you could write who it's to and from who it's from. And the one in the listing won't have my information on the bottom, like that tag that just showed my website and stuff, but it won't have that on there. But anyway, he turned out really cute. It's quick and easy. It would be so fun to make a bunch of these for Relief Society sisters or just a bunch of coworkers, whatever you need them for. And I appreciate you watching, and you have a whimsical day. Thank you.